The concept of bimbofication has captured the imaginations of many within the cross-dressing and transgender communities, offering a unique and exaggerated form of femininity that is both playful and empowering. Whether you're curious about exploring this persona or looking to fully embrace it, this guide will take you through everything you need to know about becoming a bimbo. The term bimbo has undergone significant evolution over the years. Originally, it was used as a derogatory term to describe a woman perceived as attractive but lacking in intelligence. However, the modern interpretation of a bimbo, particularly within certain subcultures, has shifted to embody a celebration of hyper-femininity, confidence, and empowerment. Bimbofication refers to the process of adopting and embracing this exaggerated feminine persona. It involves not just a transformation in physical appearance, but also a shift in mindset, behavior, and lifestyle. This trend has been popularized by social media platforms and influencers who embrace the bimbo lifestyle as a form of self-expression and rebellion against conventional norms. Historically, the bimbo persona was often depicted in a negative light. But today, it is increasingly seen as a way to challenge societal expectations around gender and femininity. For many, bimbofication represents a deliberate choice to embrace a fun, carefree, and glamorous lifestyle, free from the pressures of adhering to traditional roles or expectations. To fully understand what it means to be a bimbo, it's essential to explore the key characteristics that define this identity. While the specific traits may vary depending on personal interpretation, there are some common elements that are often associated with the bimbo persona. The most recognizable aspect of bimbofication is the transformation in physical appearance. A bimbo typically adopts an exaggeratedly feminine look, characterized by heavy makeup, glamorous hair, and provocative clothing. Makeup plays a crucial role in the bimbo transformation. The look usually involves dramatic eyeshadow, thick eyeliner, long lashes, and bold lipstick. Contouring is used to accentuate facial features, while highlighter adds a touch of glamour. The overall goal is to achieve a doll-like, almost artificial appearance that is both striking and unmistakably feminine. Hair is another important aspect of the bimbo aesthetic. Long, voluminous hair, often styled in curls or waves, is the hallmark of the bimbo look. Many bimbos opt for platinum blonde or other vibrant colors, though the specific style can vary depending on personal preference. Wigs and hair extensions are common tools used to achieve the desired effect. The bimbo wardrobe is all about embracing curves and showcasing the body. Tight, revealing clothing, such as mini skirts, crop tops, and plunging necklines, are staples of the bimbo look. High heels and flashy accessories, such as large hoop earrings and chunky jewelry, complete the outfit. The key is to choose pieces that exude confidence and femininity. While the physical transformation is important, the bimbo persona is also defined by specific personality traits. These traits often include a blend of confidence, playfulness, and an emphasis on sensuality. A bimbo exudes confidence in every aspect of her life. She is unapologetic about her appearance and takes pride in her femininity. This confidence extends to her interactions with others, where she is unafraid to express herself and pursue what she wants. A bimbo embraces a playful, carefree attitude. She enjoys the fun and flirty side of life, often approaching situations with a sense of humor and lightheartedness. This playfulness is a key part of the bimbo identity, allowing her to navigate life with a sense of joy and enthusiasm. Sensuality is a central aspect of the bimbo persona. A bimbo is in touch with her sexuality and uses it as a form of empowerment. She enjoys being the center of attention and revels in the admiration she receives. However, it's important to note that this sensuality is rooted in self-confidence and personal choice, rather than a need for validation from others. In addition to appearance and personality, a bimbo adopts specific behaviors and lifestyle choices that align with her identity. These behaviors often involve embracing luxury, self-indulgence, and a focus on beauty and pleasure. A bimbo often adopts a distinctive way of speaking, characterized by a sweet, high-pitched voice and the use of playful or flirtatious language. Her mannerisms are exaggerated and feminine, with an emphasis on gestures that highlight her physical attributes. Socially, a bimbo enjoys being the life of the party. She is outgoing and loves to engage with others, often using her charm and flirtatious nature to win people over. While she may appear superficial to some, her social interactions are driven by a desire to have fun and enjoy life to the fullest. The bimbo lifestyle is one of indulgence and luxury. A bimbo takes pride in her appearance and is willing to invest time and resources into maintaining her look. She enjoys shopping, pampering herself, and surrounding herself with beautiful things. This lifestyle is a reflection of her commitment to living life on her terms and embracing her femininity to the fullest. For crossdressers, Bimbofication offers a unique and powerful way to explore and express femininity. It allows individuals to break free from societal expectations and fully embrace an identity that may be considered unconventional or even taboo. Here are some key reasons why Bimbofication is important for crossdressers. One of the primary reasons crossdressers are drawn to Bimbofication is the opportunity to express an exaggerated form of femininity. The Bimbo persona is all about embracing and celebrating feminine traits in their most extreme form. For those who may feel constrained by traditional gender roles, Bimbofication offers a way to explore femininity without limitations. This expression of femininity is not just about physical appearance. It also involves adopting the behaviors, mannerisms, and mindset associated with the bimbo identity. By doing so, crossdressers can experience a sense of liberation and empowerment as they take control of their own identity and how they choose to present themselves to the world. Bimbofication can also be a powerful tool for building confidence. The process of transforming into a bimbo involves embracing and enhancing one's physical appearance, which can lead to a boost in self-esteem. Additionally, the confidence that comes from adopting the bimbo persona extends beyond appearance. It permeates every aspect of a bimbo's life. For many crossdressers, this newfound confidence can be life-changing. It allows them to navigate social situations with ease, express themselves more freely, and pursue their goals without fear of judgment. In this way, Bimbofication can be a transformative experience that has a positive impact on all areas of life. Bimbofication is not just an individual experience. It is also a way to connect with others who share similar interests and values. The Bimbo community is a supportive and inclusive space where individuals can come together to share tips, advice, and encouragement. This sense of community is particularly important for crossdressers who may feel isolated or misunderstood in other areas of their lives. By embracing the bimbo identity, crossdressers can find a sense of belonging and validation within a community that celebrates diversity and self-expression. This can lead to deeper connections with others and a stronger sense of self-identity. While Bimbofication can be a rewarding and empowering experience, it's important to be aware of potential risks and considerations. Here are some factors to keep in mind as you embark on your bimbo journey. The bimbo persona is often misunderstood and may attract negative attention or judgment from others. It's important to be prepared for potential criticism and to have a support system in place to help you navigate these challenges. The physical transformation involved in Bimbofication, such as the use of heavy makeup, hair dye, and high heels, can have potential health risks. Be sure to take care of your body by using product safely, taking breaks when needed, and seeking professional advice if you have concerns. While the bimbo lifestyle is all about indulgence and fun, it's important to maintain balance and moderation. Avoid becoming overly reliant on the bimbo persona as a way to escape from other aspects of your life. Instead, use it as a form of self-expression that enhances your overall well-being. Make informed decisions about your transformation, particularly when it comes to any permanent changes, such as cosmetic surgery. Research your options thoroughly and consult with professionals to ensure that you are making choices that are right for you. Becoming a bimbo as a crossdresser is a journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and fun. By embracing the bimbo persona, you can explore a unique and exaggerated form of femininity that challenges conventional norms and celebrates individuality. Whether you're just starting out or fully immersed in the bimbo lifestyle, remember that this journey is about expressing who you are and enjoying every moment. With the right mindset, preparation, and support, you can confidently step into the world of Bimbofication and make it your own. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.